Time to go check and see if my car is snowed in. Holy crap. Oh, got in my face. As you can see, what the heck? Oh my gosh! There's my car, and here is about, what, as tall as me? No? I don't even know if I can make it over there. Holy crap. I'm getting stuck. It's basically, if I go all the way down, it's basically up to my hip. There's a comparison. That's the, here we go. This is a good way to tell. It's almost covering this whole small car. It's all the way on top of this. It's actually impossible to get out here. So hopefully they'll plow soon. In the alley, it's pretty much up to the garages, halfway up the garages of these homes. And no chance.